Have you tried saying affirmations and found they don't seem to work? Well, there's often numerous reasons as to why that is, and in this video we look at 5 possible reasons affirmations aren't working for you. Number 1. You feel like you're lying to yourself. Self-talk is fundamental to what we achieve and will work both for and against you, depending on what you say. The problem for many when saying affirmation is that even when we think we believe the affirmation, our subconscious is still aware of the doubts and hesitations we might have. It's fundamental that you wholly and completely believe in your affirmation, so that when there are any doubts, it's vital to acknowledge those doubts to try and deal with the root of the self-doubt. Number 2. You use wrong phrases. Often an affirmation will start with I am, as we believe we embody that statement. However, many will say I will, and in both cases if there are doubts, the affirmation simply doesn't feel like it has any effect. If you say I am, you have to fully believe in the statement, and if it doesn't work, try to instead turn the phrase to be something you will believe, such as I can, or even a question to challenge yourself. Number 3. You don't follow through. If you wake up and spend 5 minutes saying affirmations to yourself, only to then spend the rest of the day doing and saying things that lead to building self-doubt, do you think you'll be able to gain any benefit from the affirmations? Of course not. It's important to follow through on affirmations, say them in the morning and embody them throughout the day, as otherwise you're just going to try and fool yourself. Number 4. You try to do too much. One of the biggest benefits and reasons affirmations work is that they help us focus in life and on ourselves. So if you try and say a lot of varied affirmations, it's going to be hard to fulfill on them, as you will lose focus and spread yourself thin. Same goes for the goals you affirm to yourself. Too many goals that only focus on the long term will be hard to believe and make reality. Instead, focus on yourself and focus on growing step by step. Don't rush, as after all, you have a lifetime. Number 5. You don't take action. Put simply, saying affirmations and then not doing anything to make them reality is simply lying to yourself. As with most things in life, you need to follow up what you say you will do with actions that make the statement into reality. If you don't, it's unlikely anything will happen and you won't be anything more than you are at the time of making the statement. But if you take action, there's no reason why the affirmation won't become your reality. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.